Now, there are all sorts of reasons why you might switch over from your manual jockey wheel to an electronic trailer jack. For example, you might have a shoulder issue, maybe some back problems, and that's why today we're taking a look at the Blackjack Trailer Jack, which is brought to Australia thanks to Titan RV in Queensland. Now, it's simple to use, it bolts easily to the A-frame, and in fact it's a permanent replacement for that manual jockey wheel. Now, as we can see, the bracket comes with numerous holes to allow you to fit the Blackjack Trailer Jack to basically any size A-frame. There are some high tensile bolts, and it's just a matter of fitting the bolt, fitting the washers, the nuts, tightening them up, and away you go. Now, realistically, the most that any drawbar in Australia is going to weigh is 350 kilos, and obviously that is at the upper end of things. Now, the Blackjack can actually lift 1,600 kilos, so it is well engineered for the purpose here in Australia. Now, the vertical stroke, the downward stroke of the shaft of the Blackjack is 560 millimeters. Now, that should allow it to lift clear of any tow vehicle's hitch in any conditions. Now, the Blackjack is wired to your 12-volt power source. You're probably going to wire it to the caravan's house battery, and it comes with the wiring kit and everything that you need to do that, and it's really not difficult at all. But what happens if your van's battery goes flat? Well, cleverly, they have included an emergency cranking handle, and it's just a matter of lifting up this little grommet here, inserting the handle, and then you can crank it up and down as required. And of course, using the Blackjack Trailer Jack, it really just couldn't be any easier. You can either retract, lowering the drawbar, or we can extend. So as you can see, you have numerous holes here with a pin, and that will allow you to adjust, I guess, the starting height of the Blackjack Trailer Jack. Now, as part of the package, you also get this neat foot plate, and that's going to give you a nice solid base from which to work. You also get this neat flip foot to replace this main foot here, and we're going to show you how this works.
The flip foot swings easily into position, and it will self-guide, making sure of course that the surface is level. When retracting, just position it back to horizontal and it will lock tightly into place. The Blackjack Trailer Jack is easy to install and very simple to use. It even has a built-in spirit level and LED light. So if you've been looking to replace your manual wind-up jockey wheel, take a look at the Blackjack. It's just a breeze.